I hope there's enough time on this thing left to do this. Ooh, that looks good, huh? Ooh, it smells so good. Oh, I wish you could smell it. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, Looking at what I'm doing instead of this phone camera. Mmm. Ooh, I'd say it's done. It just broke apart. Yeah, I probably should have flipped these earlier. I was working on some stuff in the yard. Ooh, I bet this is going to be so good. I think I'll just leave that off. Pick it up in a minute. Put it in the trash. Yeah, I'll leave that off. This is almost too big for this grill. The ends were too big. I had to bend them in like that in order to get the lid on it. And I made that sauce myself. Mm-mm-mm. Ooh, that's gonna be so good. I got a big old green salad in there. And I had some country ham that I had got a big thing of, and I put most of it up in the freezer, but some of it I put in a pan and kind of rendered it down. There's quite a bit of fat on some of it, and I cut off the meat part, and I might have that on top of the salad. And the rendered part I'm gonna put up in the refrigerator, because it's good, you know, on beans or anything like that. Alright, well, I think that's about all I'm gonna do for now. Thank you for watching. Wish you was here to eat some chicken with me. Have some salad.